Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this voxel character effect in UE5 Niagara. You can see this third person player is now a voxel and also emitting voxels that's shooting on ground. It looks cool. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, these voxels spawning on this skeleton mesh. Also I have one emitter in his legs, which is spawning the particle continuously and falling on the ground. It is very easy tutorial and it looks good, so let's try how to do that. So like I have this third person project, and if you see this animation, we have this. So you have this animation, and if I put this run animation here and I want same effect on this character, so although this is FX that I created here, and I will put this file on Patreon, you can download. I will create one more FX, this test, and to spawn particle on a skeleton there's two ways.